Still relying on IBM Cognos for your reporting, but struggling with slow performance, limited flexibility, and complex workflows? While IBM Cognos has been a trusted solution for years, modern businesses demand faster insights, intuitive dashboards, and real-time decision-making. But migrating from Cognos to Power BI isn't easy. Traditional migration requires rebuilding reports from scratch, rewriting logic, and validating every dataset, leading to delays, increased costs, and high risk of errors. But what if you could eliminate the complexity and move to Power BI faster without starting from zero? Introducing Pulse Convert, an AI-powered migration platform designed to seamlessly convert IBM Cognos reports into Power BI dashboards. With Pulse Convert, simply upload your IBM Cognos reports. The platform intelligently analyzes report structures, queries, and data models, then automatically converts them into fully functional Power BI dashboards, maintaining design, logic, and data accuracy. No manual coding required. High-fidelity conversion ensures minimal rework, supports complex enterprise reports, and delivers results in a secure, scalable environment. What once took weeks or months can now be completed in minutes, helping you reduce costs, minimize errors, and accelerate your analytics transformation. Empower your teams with interactive dashboards, real-time insights, and the flexibility of Power BI, enabling smarter, faster business decisions. It's time to move beyond legacy systems and embrace modern analytics. Pulse Convert, migrate smarter, modernize faster, and unlock the full power of Power BI.